Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to our video. Welcome to another late upload. Again, I'm kind of sorry for these late uploads as well, but honestly, this is pretty much the best time yet. But anywho, let's not take all of you guys' time. Let's get right into it. So, of course, I think you guys saw this already, the GM same thing. This is not for the video. This is already what happened, but I'm just gonna show you the card we're respraying as well. And it's this one right here. This is a 1997 Acura Tiger. It's one of my good friends in my school, and mostly she had it. She had the car pretty nice, of course. She took it to a paint job to Mako, and she didn't have the best paint job as well. It did came off, and she had problems with paint chipping coming off, of course. And then she had a little bump in a fender to fender collision, not that much, but mostly, of course, a lot of things here and there that are kind of misplaced, but still. It's not that bad, but still, we're gonna fix those things. But mostly, of course, she's going for a whole respray again. The color that she had was a darker blue. So mostly, again, we're gonna respray this to another blue. And this picture, mostly all the people, the employees were sanding it, and you can see it's pretty much. It looks like we just killed Smurf. Honestly, it's just everything. It looks like we just shaved off a lot of the Monster Sullivan's hair off a lot of times, but it looks like it, or we just killed Smurf. But honestly, the thing we had so much sanding, all that stuff. But honestly, today was the biggest day because not that BMW one, not this, not this. This is when after we did we had put some little bit of finishing touches, a little bit of bundle here, and some other dents because it had some minor few dents, but not as much as many. Mostly just really sanding it off, take it almost near the bare metal, and mostly take off those defects that the car had been painted. Same as here, the fender, the hood a little bit. No, I think the hood, no, it's just mostly bare metal. This one as well. This was the replacement part. All this kind of stuff here and near the door handle, the driver's door, even a little bit in the quarter panel as well. And pretty much this is the one thing that pretty much it was pretty good sealed back on. This is sealer, which what it is basically kind of like you want to say paint, but this is just a sealing base. So mostly this is when if we primer the whole card, you have to sand the whole thing back in, and you got to do the whole process. So with the sealer with this thing, it does really actually take off that the time from not using primer, and this actually looked pretty good. It was like a type of white. It's a white, and it's everyone was just making pretty much just saying it's a white Integra now, and it is. It looks pretty nice with the white, but it's not gonna be like that for anymore. It's gonna be respayed to a pretty much a BMW color, and it's B51. So mostly, of course, the B51 color looks good. I saw photos of it. She showed me photos of the color from a different Integra from social media, so it's gonna be looking nice. I feel really confident. I feel excited for this one as well. The door handles are gonna get resprayed, the mirrors, of course, and pretty much everything's gonna be resprayed as well. But honestly, we gotta do a good clean because all the stuff we did as well, we gotta clean this thing really good until this thing gets back in the spray room as well. Oh, and also the BMW, of course, we put the headlights in, and it looks pretty nice as well. Already got trash in it because all the leaves falling off from the tree right there behind. Honestly, but this the rear side as well. It looks pretty nice, of course. Mostly, of course, all these parts, you see a little bit of red here and there. Mostly these are replacement parts. Oh, I mean, I don't know what it is. It's just I see a lot of red into the car. But honestly, some other things. And last but not least is the quarter panel for the Toyota Camry. It's just been primered off today and was seam sealed in this area here near the socket here in the bottom quarter panel as well. I then took that picture, and we'll see this was just been finished and being dried off. So this is gonna be another pretty much next week to finish this car off as well. It's already sanded with the hood and the door. I think I did said that in the last video, but pretty much that's what's going on this week. Mostly, of course, the Integra. I think pretty much this is my biggest goal is finish it this weekend. If not next week, it's not really the case. And she said she's fine being a little bit patient with the other things. But pretty much that's all I want to show you guys today. We got more photos of the Integra parts, of course, the front and the rear bumper, the handles, the mirrors as well. Also some other things from different vehicles here and there, and also different rebuilds we have for tomorrow's upload as well. If you guys, again, just showing all this stuff, just all some updates. But again, just want to say sorry for the late uploads, of course. Mostly, of course, school homework is taking mostly some of my time as well. But honestly, just want to say that, and I just want to say to you guys, hey, have a good rest of your good rest of your Wednesday night or morning if you're watching this early morning, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.